Welcome to Newtown Crossing, Lexington, where modern student living meets unbeatable convenience and style. This vibrant place offers 4-bedroom, 3-bedroom, 1-bedroom apartments and studios, many featuring full-sized kitchens, entertainment centres, to keep your mood lively, and a lovely dining space with chairs, perfect for eating with friends. Stay active and social with top-tier amenities, like a 24-hour fitness centre loaded with strength and cardio equipment, a well-maintained basketball court, and a grassy, interior courtyard to relax or study. Bills for trash and community-wide high-speed Wi-Fi are included in rent. Plus, you will also get access to on-site parking and 24/7 security for an easy stay. Located at 351 Foreman Avenue, you'll be just a short walk from the University of Kentucky and Transylvania University. Grab a bite at Tolly-Ho, Waffle House, or for a brewery visit, Boy Brewing. Located just a short walk away, catch your bus at Angliana at Curry CCW or South Broadway at Foreman Inbound located nearby. Ready to live smart? Grab your spot at Newtown Crossing in Lexington via amberstudent.com now.